Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. आज के वीडियो में I am going to share 6 such brands with you which are completely made in India and all their products are Indian products. I think this is the perfect time to make this video keeping in mind what is happening all around us, and it's high time we give appreciation and recognition to the brands which are our brands, which are made by our country and has to be recognized, I feel. Of course there are a lot of brands which we use that are made outside India, the international brands, and of course they are good as well, but I think it's the correct time when we should be recognizing our own brands and we should be vocal for the local products. Before starting with the video, I have to give out a few disclaimers. So number one would be the fact that I am deliberately keeping brands such as Mamaearth out of today's video because Mamaearth is already a popular and a very well recognized brand by the audience, and a lot of you already know about it, and they also market themselves to be like an indie brand. So definitely this brings to me the next point, which is today's brands are the brands which are not very popular, which about which not a lot of you might be knowing. You might have heard, but you might not know that they are Indian brands. So I'm going to pick out these brands today, and they are the ones which do not market themselves to be Indian brands. They might market other important factors such as vegan or organic or Ayurvedic and all these stuffs, but they do not really market themselves to be an Indian brand. That's why I'm going to talk about this. 2 or 3 brands that I'm going to talk about today might be a little bit famous compared to the other ones, but nonetheless I thought that I should be recognizing them. And the third point is there are a lot of brands apart from the ones that I talk about today which are definitely made in India, but I'm going to talk about these 6 because these 6 brands I have tried out myself. A big shout out to Shreya Jain, who has actually inspired me to do today's video. I saw her doing a similar kind of video and it is already there on her channel. I'm sure you guys have already watched it. She has recommended such amazing brands and I thought I should also try out my own version. So finally, let's get started. Let's quickly talk about the format of today's video. So firstly, I'm going to introduce you guys to the brand, and then I'm going to talk about the key factors by which the brand markets itself, and then I'm going to show 1 or 2 products from the brand that I have used myself and I would like to recommend it to all of you. First brand I'm going to talk about is Bare Air. Now Bare Air is a brand which produces anti-pollution skincare and hair care products, and they are a complete cruelty-free, paraben-free, SLS-free brand. These are the main key factors through which they market themselves, and they are available at Amazon. One product from this brand that I am going to recommend you guys is the Bare Air Anti-Pollution Micellar Water, which is perfect for removing any sort of makeup, and I have talked about it in details and I've showed you guys the demo in one of my previous videos, which I link in the eye and the description in case you want to see how it works. You just have to take like a cotton pad, spray it, and then you can easily remove your makeup. It's a really nice one. Another product from this brand is one of their face washes. I don't have it with me right now because I have used it and it's finished, but I will link it in the description box and you can check it out. It's one of those foam based face wash which is really good for your skin. Second brand today is Love Earth. This brand markets itself to be a herbal, homemade, organic skincare brand. They also mention in their social media page that the profit that they get from this brand is used in orphan welfare, which is such a nice thing I feel, and it is mentioned in their Insta handle. You guys can check it out. Now this brand is available in Amazon and Nykaa, and the one product that I have tried from this brand and I have absolutely loved it is the Love Earth Jasmine Face Mist. Very recently I have reviewed this product on my channel, so I will link that video in the description box and in the iCard. You can check it out. If you're someone who loves using a face mist, you can definitely try out this brand. It's really good, it's really refreshing and all good stuff. Check out my video to know like a detailed review of this product. Third brand today I'm going to talk about is Blossom Couture Aroma Magic. Now this is a pretty famous brand and I'm sure all of you must already be knowing about it, but I don't think a lot of you knew that this is like an Indian brand because I did not know it myself. Let's talk about what what this brand markets itself to be. Aroma Magic claims that all their products are based on aromatherapy ingredients, which means that it is a blending of essential oils. That is the major ingredient in all their products. This brand is also 100% vegetarian and they use recyclable packaging. This brand is also not tested on animals. Now this one is available at Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple and also offline stores as well. One product from this brand that I'm going to highly recommend is the Aroma Magic Sunlight Spray. So this is actually a sunscreen which comes in a spray bottle. Pretty interesting, pretty intriguing I must say. And it's a very good sunscreen. Like if you do not like those creamy or those kind of sunscreens which are sitting heavy on your face, you can definitely check this out because it's very lightweight. You just have to spray it and then it will just vanish, and it's really a good one. You must check it out. Fourth brand today on my list is Aloe Veda. Aloe Veda is a luxury wellness and beauty brand which comes from South India. It's actually inspired by Ayurveda and aloe vera, hence the name Aloe Veda. Now this one is available at Amazon. One product from this brand that I'm going to recommend all of you is the Aloe Veda Body Butter, which is in the variant White Lotus. I have also talked about this product in one of my recent videos, which is like the 5 body lotions that you require for summer. So you guys can check that out if you want like a detailed review of this product. This is something which is perfect for very dry skin type of family, and if you are a very oily kind of person, you can use it in monsoon or maybe winters. And fifth brand today on my list is Bio Organics by Indus Valley. They use certified organic herbs in all their products as their main ingredient. This one is available at Amazon and Flipkart. One product from Bio Organic that I think you must check out is their Grow Out Hair Oil, which comes in a bottle something like this. So the main job of this one is if you have faced a lot of hair fall, you can use this product because it will promote new hair growth. I think that's a very good oil and you should check it out. Final brand today for my list is Biotique. I'm sure everybody knows about Biotique and its goodness, and it's such a beautiful brand that is. Biotique is a skincare and hair care brand which is developed from organic products and 100% botanicals, and they also have a makeup range I think, but their main forte is skincare and hair care. They are also available at Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple as well as offline stores as well. This brand is also cruelty free and their packaging is reusable, recyclable. There are a lot of good products from this brand, but my top 2 would be these. Now this is the Bio Papaya face wash. It is actually a scrub kind of face wash. This face wash has little small, very small particles, so you can actually use it as a scrub as well as a face wash. And my second recommendation is my absolute favorite for like ages now, which is the Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub. You guys can see I have been talking about this product ever since I have started YouTube. This is the only scrub which actually removes your tan, and I don't think I have come across any scrub that gives me this kind of satisfaction. It's like my absolute go-to OG favorite scrub, and that's why I would highly recommend this to all of you. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys have found this video informative and helpful. If you have any queries, please don't forget to comment down below. I will try to solve them. If there is any brand जिसके बारे में आज आपको पहली बार मेरे वीडियो के थ्रू पता चला है, please comment down below. I would love to know. And if you like watching this video, give me a thumbs up. And also please follow me on all my social media platforms, especially Instagram. My handle is @mysticalimrin, and I'm super active on Instagram. There are so many exclusive content which just goes up on Instagram and not on YouTube, and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So please make sure that you are following me on Insta. If you like watching me and my content, please subscribe to my channel as well. Hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any upload. Also please comment down below your video recommendations, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.